for joining us. This is Spin Training. My name is Mikhail, and I introduce you on behalf of Spin name, Spin TamoGraph Site Survey Technical Overview. TamoGraph Site Survey is a powerful and user-friendly application for collecting and visualizing Wi-Fi data. Wireless network deployment and maintenance require the use of professional RF survey tool that facilitate otherwise time-consuming and very complex tasks such as ongoing analysis and reporting of signal strength, noise, and interference, channel allocation, data rates, and others. By using TamoGraph, businesses can dramatically reduce the time and cost that are involved in deploying and maintaining plans and improve network performance and coverage. This interface overview. As you can see on the board is displaying the interface overview of TamoGraph Site Survey. On the left side, resizable side panel displays access point list of access point detected by scanner, or that one that present in imported project. The central area displays the flow or site plan image and visualization of the analyzed data. And the resizable right side panel allow you to manage project flow plan and collected data, as well as configure various project options and settings. Also got the toolbar, status bar, and virtual object toolbar. Alright, so in TamoGraph Site Survey have several types of survey: passive, active, and predictive. We will discuss of every one in several tips here. So when to conduct the passive survey, highly recommended all the times. The most comprehensive survey type that convey the most important blend, characteristic, and metrics. The active, optional, conduct when measurement of real-world performance characteristic of your lens is required. And predictive survey is optional as well, and conduct before deployment to plan your lens and simulate its characteristics. Hardware requirements of passive survey: a compatible wireless adapter is required for the up-to-date list of compatible adapters. Virtual any modern wireless adapter with the latest drivers supplied by the adapter vendor will work for active survey. And predictive survey requires a fast multi-core CPU. Intel i7 is highly recommended. No wireless adapter is required. And additional software configuration requirements for passive survey is not necessary. For active survey, you must create a Windows profile for the blend you plan to test. If you plan to measure TCP and or UDP throughput, you must also run the throughput server utility on the wireless side of your wireless local area network. And for predictive survey, it is not necessary as well. And how data is collected. The application passively listens for packets and does not attempt to connect to the wireless local area network for passive survey. For active survey, The application connects your Wi-Fi adapter to the wireless network or networks of your choice to measure actual throughput rates and few other metrics. And for predict surveys, no one-side data collection is performed. Data is simulated based on the virtual environment that you created. We continue. Wi-Fi mapping using GPS. Actually, the TamoGraph site survey is not limited indoor Wi-Fi site survey collection. You also can do site survey outdoor, as surveying in campuses, airports, restaurants, or even on the street, or in that area which is important for you, but it doesn't matter, it's still available. If you imagine while the site survey, you are indoor, you just click, you can go through with your laptop or tablet and do your survey with collecting the Wi-Fi data by clicking on the map to represent your location and go walking through that location while they're collecting data. However, if you're outdoor, why don't use the GPS receiver? It's still available and very useful. So you just connect your GPS receiver to your machine which you are using for survey data. You also need to configure TamoGraph to use your GPS receiver. You simply need to specify the COM port that your GPS receiver uses. Create a project. If you don't have a site map, you can simply download from the OpenStreetMap or from Microsoft Map Point, and TamoGraph will help you to do that for importing a street map from online services. And set reference points, mark 3 location on the site map and either their coordination. This is called calibration, and is a step that is required in order to link your map coordination with GPS coordinates. And just walk or drive to these located points for collecting data. Another site survey technical specifications. Supported wireless local area network types such as 802.11a with 5 GHz, 802.11b is 2.4 GHz, 802.11g with 2.4 GHz, 802.11n 2 GHz, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz as well, and 802.11 AC 5 GHz. Operating systems. TamoGraph runs on 32-bit and 64-bit operation system, Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10, and Windows Server 2008 and 2012. Supported adapters. To perform passive surveys, a compatible Wi-Fi adapter is required. TamoGraph supports many wireless adapters in the following form factors: USB, Express card, and PCIe integrated. And system requirements: Intel Core 2 or higher processor, and 2 GB of RAM is minimum required. 50 MB of free disk space as minimum requirements, and supported reports formats: for reporting your and representing your report in PDF, HTML and KMZ using for Google Earth. Alright my dear friends, that's it for today. Thank you for being with us all the time. We will always try to explain you as much as possible about relevant products which you require. But anyway, if you feel not enough information or you have some more questions or any inquiries, please contact us or just simply visit our website www.e-spincorp.com. Thank you so much. See you again.